So students, we are continuing with the topic hunger, hardships and popular revolt. As the name only, the topic is very clear to us that hunger takes place, and hunger means shortage of food grain or non-availability of the food grains. Then hardships means difficulties faced by the people. And if these both things will take place, what they will do? They will do revolt. Okay. So topic by the topic only, it is very clear what we are going to study in this. Hunger takes place, then hardships are faced by people, and then what they used to do? They used to do the revolt. So in complete Europe, the population was increasing at a very high rate, or we can say overpopulation like situation is was there. And with this, there was non-availability of jobs, or we can say lack of jobs, or unemployment situation was there. Means there was a wide gap between the job seekers, means the people who are willing to work, and the number of jobs. So there was a big gap between these two things. And people also started migrating from rural areas to urban areas in order to get job. Okay, they were migrating that in rural areas no job is there. So in urban areas they will find jobs. This situation was going on. Now what happens when they migrate, then also many people do not get job in cities and urban areas, and the urban areas turn into overcrowded places. Okay, now in this complete situation, what was going on? Price rise was also going on, that is inflation. Okay, so why this was going on? Because one thing we have studied, that population was very high. Other thing was that the price of food prices raised. Why? Because of the bad harvest. Now one thing you should always keep in mind, when the demand of particular thing will be more and supply will be less, then always there will be high prices of that commodity. Like अगर रियलिस्टिक एग्जांपल चाहिए, अभी कोरोना की वजह से देखो कितने सारे जो सब्जी वगैरह है, कुछ जो डेली बेस्ड चीज़ें हैं, कुछ लोग बड़ी महंगी सेल आउट कर रहे हैं. ओके, सो the supply is less and the demand is more, and in that situation price rise will take place. So this was the situation, and because of this, at many places in towns and cities in the very different countries, riots took place. दंगे फसाद होने लगे. ठीक है, जैसे कि आपने फ्रेंच रेवोल्यूशन में पढ़ा था, ब्रेड शॉप्स पर लड़ाइयाँ हो जाती थी. ओके, सच काइंड ऑफ chaos and all this disturbance was taking place. Another thing was that small producers were also affected. Why? Because they had to face the competition with the machine made goods, which was imported from England, because you know that in England only industrialization took place very firstly, and machine made textile goods were imported from the England and France and other countries. So small producers and the weavers were facing very much difficulty in competing with the machine made goods. Next thing was that in all such situations, the aristocrats enjoy their power, and they were enjoying by birth privileges. By birth privileges enjoy कर रहे थे aristocrats, rich persons जो थे power enjoy कर रहे थे, and the peasants were suffering from the burden of feudal dues. उनको जो उनका taxation revenue पे करना होता था, उसके burden में वो बेचारे फंसते चले जा रहे थे, because they were not having such kind of income that they can pay the revenue and all. Okay, so if we take the example of France in 1847, France also faced food shortages and large scale unemployment, and many people went on streets in Paris. मतलब सड़कों पे आ गए बहुत सारे लोग. अब in such a situation, Louis Philippe forced to flee. उनको ज़बरदस्ती भागना पड़ा. किसको? लुइस फिलिप को, फ्रांस से. एंड उनके जाते ही क्या हुआ? नेशनल असेंबली के. ओके, अब किसके हाथ में पावर आ गई? बिकॉज लुइस फिलिप इज नॉट देयर. सो नेशनल असेंबली was came in power, and republic system was introduced. Republic means the ruler will be elected, the head of the state or head of the country will be elected by the, or will be elected member, you can say. Okay, and other changes which took place was suffrage was allowed to the adult males above 21 years. मीन्स वोटिंग राइट्स मिल गया, लेकिन सिर्फ मेल्स को, वो भी कब, जब उन्होंने 21 ईयर्स ऑफ एज अटेन कर लिया है. नेक्स्ट थिंग वॉज दैट national workshops were established in order to provide employment to the unemployed people. So these changes took place, and one incident they have talked about, that is the story of Celestial weavers. In this story they have talked about what happened with the weavers of Celestia. So you know that weavers are the people who used to work at small scale, okay, regarding the textile and other things. So what happened in 1845, weavers in Celestia had revolt with contractors. अब यहाँ पर जो weavers काम कर रहे थे सेलेशिया में, इनकी लड़ाई हो जाती है कॉन्ट्रैक्टर्स से, क्योंकि दे वर नॉट दैट मच काइंड ऑफ एजुकेटेड एंड ऑल, कि उनको तो लग रहा था जो भी कुछ हो रहा है वीवर्स की वजह से हो रहा है, क्योंकि ये लोग कम पैसे दे रहे हैं इनके काम करने पे. ओके, सच काइंड ऑफ सिचुएशन वाज देयर. उनको ये लग रहा था कि ये क्या कर रहे हैं, रॉ, क्योंकि कॉन्ट्रैक्टर्स उनको रॉ मटेरियल प्रोवाइड करते थे और ऑर्डर फिनिश होने पे उनको पेमेंट दिया करते थे, और बहुत ही कम कर दिए थे उनकी पेमेंट्स. तो इनको बड़ा गुस्सा आया वीवर्स को कि ऐसी सिचुएशन में हमें बहुत कम कम पैसे दिए जा रहे हैं. सो द होल इंसिडेंट इज डिस्क्राइब्ड बाय विल्हेम वुल्फ. ओके, क्या हुआ था सेलेशियन विलेज की एक इंसिडेंट बताई हुई है आपको. तो अप्रोक्सीमेटली 18,000 inhabitants were there, and mostly they were involved in the cotton weaving. Cotton weaving में ये लोग involved थे. And what happened, they were so much irritated, and they were so much, these people were so much angry with the contractors that they reduced the prices of the goods. And what they did on 4th June को ये लोग क्या करते हैं, 2 PM को लार्ज क्राउड ऑफ वीवर्स इमर्ज फ्रॉम देयर होम्स. ये घर से निकलते हैं सब और एक साथ चलकर हवेलियों की तरफ चलते हैं, कॉन्ट्रैक्टर्स की हवेलियों की तरफ, और उनको बोलते हैं कि आप हमें हमारे वेजेस दीजिए. उनको उनसे डिमांड करते हैं आप हमारे वेजेस हाई कीजिए, ये बहुत ज़्यादा कम है. एंड दे वर ट्रीटेड विद स्कॉन एंड थ्रेट्स अल्टरनेटली. और उनको डराया धमकाया गया. अ ग्रुप ऑफ देम फोर्स देयर हाउसेस वे इनटू द हाउस मैरिड देयर. अब कुछ लोगों ने तोड़फोड़ भी की. उन्होंने क्या करे, फर्नीचर, पैंस, खिड़कियाँ वगैरह जो कॉन्ट्रैक्टर्स की थी उनको तोड़ दिया. ठीक है, उसके स्टोर हाउसेस को, और जो पोर्च क्लीन होते हैं, मिट्टी से बनी हुई जो चीज़ें होती है, जैसे नाजुक, जैसे कप वगैरह, ग्लॉसरी वगैरह या वेस्ट वगैरह, ये सारी चीज़ें, इनमें तोड़फोड़ मचा दी. और कॉन्ट्रैक्टर्स को अपनी फैमिली के साथ दूसरी जगह जाना पड़ा इस सिचुएशन में. वो इतने ज़्यादा डर गए थे, नेबरिंग विलेजेस में, आसपास की जगह पे शेल्टर के लिए उनको जाना पड़ा, कॉन्ट्रैक्टर्स को विद देयर फैमिली. एंड रिटर्न लेटर हैविंग रिक्वेश्चन द आर्मी इन एक्सचेंज 11 वीवर्स वर शॉट. और इन टर्न क्या हुआ, जो 11 वीवर्स थे उनको मार दिया गया. तो दिस वॉज द इंसिडेंट ऑफ सेलेशियल वीवर्स. Now from this topic, what kind of questions can be asked? You can be asked what kind of economic hardships faced by the people. Direct question can come. And you can be asked regarding the reasons. Okay, reasons क्या था सेलेशियल जो वीवर्स ने जो किया, तोड़फोड़ मचाई, हंगामा किया, what was the reason behind that? Such kind of questions can be asked from you. These questions can be also after Louis was forced to go to another place. What kind of changes were introduced? 3 kind of changes were introduced. Power was with now National Assembly, and it was declared republic. Suffrage was provided, and national workshops were started for granting employment. Revise the topic well. Do the questions based on this. Thank you.